water from the Viti shores to find the beauty that the North restores. It's not just the mountains or the sea so blue, it's the grace of the women that carries us through. In the west of Bua, where the sandalwood grew, the women of Vuya are constant and true. From Nave to Lekutu, they rise with the sun, work in the gardens till the days are done. When I see around them, they stand with such pride, the strength of the Takonita Bua inside. Daughters of Wainunu with spirits so bright, they are the stars of the Sandalwood night. Oh, beautiful women of Vanua Levu, from the hills of the north, your spirit shines through. Macuata, Cakaudrove, and Bua, your grace, the heartbeat and soul of this sacred place. Northside queens, yeah, you lead the way, with a smile like the dawning of a brand new day. Now we travel to the east where the abundance flows, where the Cakaudrove flower in the valley grows. And Somosomo the ladies walk with a royal air, with the Senibua tucked in their wavy hair. From Savusavu Bay to the Natewa side, the weavers of Tunuloa have nothing to hide. In Qilaqila, they sing by the falls, the voice of the mothers, the Vanua calls. Teaches the light, holding the family through the dark of the night. From the Nasekula blood to the commoner's hand, the women are the pillars of the northern land. Up in Macuata where the sun burns strong, the women of the delta have been waiting so long. In Nasekula village and Nabouwalu town, they wear the Savusavu like a royal crown. From cigar pines to the hoodoo sand, they work the gold sugar with the gentle hand. And no Fijian sisters in Labasa Street, adding the spice and the soul to the beat. Oh, beautiful women